Modern water heaters are becoming increasingly complex and expensive to maintain. Many manufacturers now promote smart anode rod monitoring systems and early replacement schedules that can cost homeowners hundreds of dollars. But what if I told you there's a fundamental physics principle that restores efficiency and extends tank life without purchasing a single part? Today, I'll show you the proven engineering principles and safe step-by-step process to perform a complete sediment flush using nothing but standard plumbing valves and basic fluid dynamics principles that have been understood for over a century. Let me tell you about the Great Erasure. Your grandfather's water heater from the 1950s was a masterpiece of mechanical simplicity. Solid copper tanks, cast iron valves, a simple drain at the bottom. Every 6 months he'd open that brass spigot. Listen to the hiss as sediment-laden water escaped. 30 seconds, $0. The physics of settlement did the work. That unit ran for 25 years. Now fast forward. The fundamental physics haven't changed. Sediment still settles. Water still needs to drain, but the business model, that's been completely re-engineered. Enter the smart monitoring system, the subscription service. The monthly fee for diagnostics that your grandfather performed with his own 2 hands. They built an empire on your ignorance. Why isn't this in the user manual? Because a knowledgeable owner is an unprofitably owner. Those reliable mechanical units from the 60s and 70s, they were engineered to last. Today's models are engineered to fail, to create dependency. They've wrapped basic physics in layers of digital obfuscation, plastic sensors instead of brass valves, cloud diagnostics instead of tactile feedback. But gravity hasn't changed its mind. Sediment still obeys the same laws. This 60-second procedure can save you $700 in unnecessary service calls, yet they'll never show you, because that $700 is their profit margin. Listen closely now. The sound of that solid brass valve clicking open is the sound of liberation. It's the sound of basic physics defeating corporate algorithms. But here's where most people make the critical error. Understanding the history is only half the battle. The precise fluid dynamics that make this $0 solution work. That's where the real restoration begins. And one wrong move here won't just cost you money. It could permanently damage your entire system. The exact pressure differentials, the specific temperature thresholds, that's what we're covering next. But knowing their playbook isn't enough. You need the physics. Here's what they don't want you to understand about your water heater. It starts with basic mineralogy. Your water contains dissolved calcium carbonate and magnesium silicate. These minerals have a specific gravity around 2.7. Water sits at 1. That's the fundamental imbalance. Heavier particles in a lighter fluid. Enter Stokes Law, a 19th century principle that governs sedimentation. The settling velocity depends on particle size squared and the density difference. Larger particles sink faster. Smaller ones take years. This isn't modern software. This is 1851 physics defeating their planned obsolescence. The sediment accumulates at the tank bottom, a mineral blanket. Now consider heat transfer. Your burner fires through steel into water. With a half-inch of sediment, you've created an insulating barrier. Thermal conductivity drops dramatically. The steel can't transfer heat efficiently. You're looking at a 20 to 40% efficiency loss. Basic physics. That sediment layer forces your burner to run longer, much longer. For every additional minute of runtime, you're paying their energy tax. A 1/4 inch of scale can increase gas consumption by 15%. They designed this revenue stream into the system, but here's the restoration. Proper flushing removes that insulating layer. You restore the original heat transfer coefficient. The steel can breathe again. Your burner cycles return to factory specifications. The efficiency comes back. The savings are immediate. Why isn't this in the manual? Because a maintained heater lasts 15 years. Their business model needs 7. Now you understand the science. The enemy is visible, but the execution requires precision. One wrong valve sequence, and you could thermal shock the tank. Or worse. The safety procedures are non-negotiable. The step-by-step is critical. What comes next isn't a suggestion. It's a survival protocol. Get it right and you reclaim your efficiency. Get it wrong. The consequences are measured in dollars and safety. The vault contains the exact procedure, millimeter by millimeter, because in this game there are no second chances, but knowing their playbook isn't enough. You need the physics, the execution. First, safety. This isn't a suggestion, it's basic physics. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for electric heaters. For gas, shut off the gas supply. Allow the water to cool completely. Scalding is not a theory. Wear safety glasses and gloves. Work in a well-ventilated area. Have a bucket and towels ready. Never work on a pressurized system. They don't put this in the manual because a safe owner is an unprofitable owner. Now, the procedure. Locate the drain valve at the base. It's usually brass. Connect a standard garden hose. Run it to a floor drain or outside. Open the pressure relief valve on the side first. This breaks the vacuum. You'll hear the hiss. That's the sound of physics working for you. Now open the main drain valve. Use a quarter turn, no excessive torque, just enough to feel the seal release. The water will flow. Watch it. The first burst will be clear, then it changes. You'll see the sediment. Brown, gritty like industrial sand. That's the engineered failure leaving your system. Let it drain completely. This takes about 30 minutes. 30 minutes that just saved you $700 in premature replacement costs. Listen to the flow. When it runs clear, you've won. Close the drain valve, remove the hose, now refill. Open a hot water faucet upstairs. This bleeds air from the lines. Turn the water supply back on. Listen for the change in sound as the tank fills. The gurgle stops. That's your cue. Restore power or gas. Why isn't this in the user manual? Because a clean system lasts 15 years. Their business model needs 8. For exact plumbing diagrams, sediment particle size analysis charts, and millimeter-precise safety guidelines for your specific water heater model, download the Forbidden Vault blueprint in the description below. This is not a product, it's a restoration manual, but here's what they don't tell you. A single mistake in the verification sequence can cook the heating elements. It happens silently. You won't know until your next utility bill arrives, carrying the cost of their planned obsolescence. The visual and performance cues that prevent this are what we cover next. But knowing their playbook isn't enough. You need the physics. Listen to that water draining. Hear the sediment particles rattling through clear hose sections. Feel that solid brass valve click into place. This isn't magic. It's basic physics, proven physics since the 1950s. Why isn't this in the user manual? Because a knowledgeable owner is an unprofitable owner. Now verify your work. First, diagnostic, reduced burner runtime. Your water heater won't work as hard. That's thermal efficiency restored. Pure mechanical advantage. Second, hot water recovery time. It should improve within days. That's your 100% mechanical solution working. No software, no subscription. Third, monitor your energy bill over 30 days. Document the savings. This procedure saves $300 annually. Minimum. They built an empire on your ignorance, not anymore. Maintenance schedule depends on your water hardness. Soft water areas flush annually. Hard water every 6 months. This is preventive maintenance, not repair for existing damage. Always shut off power and water supply first. Safety isn't optional. Each flush takes 30 minutes. But it saves you $700 in wasted corporate taxes. Your time versus their profit margin. See those mineral deposits in the hose? That's money leaving your wallet, every grain. This knowledge makes you dangerous to their business model. A homeowner who understands basic physics is obsolete to their planned failure cycle. The Forbidden Vault contains the exact millimeter specifications, so you never make a mistake. It's your technical constitution, your family's financial shield. You didn't just fix an appliance. You protected your home from systematic exploitation. That click you heard, that was freedom. Knowledge of fundamental physics and disciplined maintenance are your best defense against engineered complexity and rising costs. By understanding sediment settlement principles and performing regular flushes, you maintain control over your home's essential systems. This is Dr. Silas Thorne reminding you that reliable engineering doesn't require subscriptions, just understanding. Subscribe to the Forbidden Vault for more practical appliance solutions that keep you independent.